Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Settings. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, just select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!